Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lemon blueberry pie. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe for new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Or this week, new pie recipes every day. So let's get started. First you'll need a pie crust. I'll put a link to the recipe I'm using in the description box. And one of the biggest issues with making pie is an underbaked or soggy pie crust. So be sure to check out my pie crust troubleshooting video, where I show how to prevent and fix an underbaked or soggy pie crust. Preheat the oven to 450 degrees. For the blueberries, you can use fresh or frozen. If they're frozen, let them thaw completely before using them. If they're not completely thawed, they will continue to release liquid in the filling and the pie will come out runny. I like to leave them out overnight to be sure they're completely thawed. Once they're thawed, you then need to drain out the excess liquid. So put it into a strainer or sieve and let the liquids drain out into a medium bowl. Then let it sit for at least 15 minutes to let enough of the liquids drain out. Then add the blueberries into a large bowl. And add in the sugar. You can use more if you like to taste. Cornstarch. Lemon zest. Lemon juice. Cinnamon, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Pour the filling into the prepared pie crust. Then you can decorate the top with whatever crust design you like. I'm choosing to use a diamond lattice top. To do that, roll out some more pie crust to 1/8 of an inch thick or thinner, and cut it into 1/2 to 1 inch wide strips. Place a few strips across the pie, leaving space in between each one. Then lift up every other strip, and place another strip across on an angle. And pull the strips back down. Lift up the strips that weren't pulled before. Add another strip across on an angle. Pull the strips back down. And keep going the rest of the way down. Then cut off the excess crust from the edges. Brush a bit of egg wash onto the sides to let the two crusts stick together. And brush the top of the crust with the egg wash to give it a nice golden brown color when it bakes. Then bake the pie in the oven for 10 minutes. Turn the oven temperature down to 350 degrees and bake it for another 35 to 45 minutes until the top crust is nicely browned. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for 20 to 30 minutes until it's no longer hot but still very warm. And you can serve it still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make a lemon blueberry pie. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.